All right, all right, all right. Well, if you've been paying attention, you knew this was coming. Here it is, solving quadratic equations, day 3. So again, you have to watch the first 2 videos in this series for this stuff to make sense. We're going to be skipping over quickly some of those parts from those first couple of videos. The lovely 2-step equations with the x squared. So we got all sorts of fun going on today. You know how to solve equations. We're just adding that fun little part right here at the end because it's an x squared. So we got that one last step. But you should know just by looking at these problems what the steps are going to be. All right, so here we go. I've got all of this. I need to get this x by itself. What is the first step? Add 5 to both sides of the equation. So now, what do we have? Well, I've got that gone, so it's 3x squared. I've got this is 48, and I've got an equal sign in the middle of my problem. Now, I gotta get the x squared by itself. I got 3x squared, I gotta divide by 3 on both sides. There we go. Calculator's coming in quite handy here, not for this side, because we know what's going on this side. I know what that's gonna be. Calculator, very helpful. Get one out. Use it. 48 divided by 3 comes out to be 16. And we know from all the work that we've been doing, this problem's not done. I've got to get the x by itself, and it's not. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch day 1 of this series. I've got to take this problem and square root both sides of the equation, because the opposite of squaring is square rooting. To make that x squared go by and get plain x. Over here, 16. What question, what kinds of numbers are we looking for to make this real easy on ourselves? Did Mr. Stevens do us any favors here? Is this a perfect square? Can you think of anything that is the same number that multiplies to be 16? Hopefully by now I've said it and drug this on long enough that you have remembered and realized that the answer is 4. And it's not just 4, boys and girls, because what do we put in front of all of these answers? Positive and negative. If you want to know why I'm doing a positive and negative there, go back and watch video 1. I explain it there. Moving along, number 2. Got to get that x squared by itself. Again, here is the equal sign. This is on the right. Get the stuff away from the x squared. So I need to get this 5 by itself. What am I going to do? Get the 5 out of the way, excuse me. What am I going to do? Remember, the minus sign belongs to the 2. If I need to make this 5 go away, I need to do the opposite of what's in front of it. It's a positive. I need minus 5. Because plus 5 minus 5 goes away. Don't look over here. Don't look. The negative belongs to the 2. It has nothing to do with the 5. Don't look there. All right? Now, 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Bring all of this down. How do I get x squared by itself? What am I going to divide by? Look carefully. Divide by the exact same sign, negative, negative. I've got to take care of that sign, okay? So now, this comes out to positive x squared. This comes out to positive 1. Is 1 a perfect square? Well, yeah, the only thing that multiplies to be 1 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. We have to finish the problem, square root, but it's going to come out to be, am I done? Very good. Number 3. Unless you forgot, then very bad. Same steps. Get x squared by itself. Plus 3, subtract 3 on both sides. What's next? Very good. Finish this up. What am I going to do? Square root. Is 4 a perfect square? Sure it is. 2 times 2. So you go. Now, they won't all be perfect squares all the time, obviously, if you've watched the last couple of videos, but I just felt like taking it easy on you today. All right, you know the drill. Take your time, ask questions, enjoy.